Unit 5. Where's my bird?
Hello, Sam. Hello, Nico.
Says Greenman.
What's the matter?
I've got a bird and I've got a turtle. I can't see them.
Says Nico.
They are in the forest. Oh no!
Says Sam.
I can help. Let's go.
Says Greenman.
Can you see your bird?
Says Sam.
No, I can't.
Says Nico.
She's got 4 colours. Red, blue, yellow and green. She's got a small face. She's got 1, 2 small eyes. She's got a big nose. She's got a big mouth.
Look,
Says Greenman.
your bird is on the table.
Hello, hello.
Says Nico's bird.
Hello.
Say Sam and Nico.
Can you see your turtle?
Says Sam.
No, I can't.
Says Nico.
He's green. He's got a small face. He's got 1, 2 small eyes. He's got a small nose. He's got a big mouth. Oh no!
Says Nico.
Where's my turtle?
Let's sit down.
Says Greenman.
Look!
Says Sam.
There's your turtle. He's under the table.
Hello, says Turtle.
Hello.
Says Greenman.
Hello, hello.
Says Nico's bird.
Hello.
Say Sam and Nico.